Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So today I will make this website responsive. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's see the website first. Okay, are it actually responsive or not? You guys can see. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So today we will make this website responsive with HTML and Tailwind CSS. If you didn't see my other video, so I suggest you to see my first video of this NFT landing page. Okay, link in the description. Okay, so these are actually not fully responsive. If I wanna see these things, you see it's not responsive, right? So we will make these things responsive. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, so let's go to the hero section. So what we have in here, okay, so at first we need to make this never as responsive. So we'll go back to here and we just give here like flex call. Okay, let me do one thing. I will just take these things beside, so it will help you to understand more. Okay, so now, okay, so flex call, okay, you see it's actually now in column wise, right? So also these things need to be, and in MD it will be flex row. Okay guys, if I click flex row, then in PC it will row wise. Okay, now I need to also do the same thing in here. So flex call, sorry, flex call, then MD it will be flex row. Okay, now looks perfect, right? Okay, now head over to the discover section. So in this discover section, the text actually a little bit so much bigger, so I will call it when MD, and when text mobile version, it will be like 2XL or something like that, 2XL or 3XL, whatever you can give. So I will give 3XL for this thing right now, and this thing's actually okay. And in here also I will do like flex call, and for MD it will be flex row. Okay guys, okay, so now it's perfect, right? It looks perfect. Okay, so head over to the next portion. In here it already responsive. Okay, so we don't need to make it responsive. We'll go back to price section. We do the same thing. How easy it is, right guys? You can see now it's totally responsive. Okay, I need to make this text a little bit smaller so that it will look good. And for these things I need to make it MD, and text should be like around 3XL, something like that. Okay, 3XL. Now it looks good, right? Okay, and for the button, what I will do for this button, it will be in MD, it will be button XL, and for normal button should be SM. Okay, and in normal not SM, LZ, not SM. I think LZ will look good. Okay, perfect. So now for the next portion, what we will do, we will do the same thing in here. Flex call, and for medium skin, flex row, and okay. Also this need to be, I will just copy the thing from here because they are same, their text actually the same thing, same class, so that's why I copy the things. Okay, so I will paste the thing in here like this way. Okay, and button should be btn lz, sorry lz, and md, the button should be excel. Okay, fine. Okay, now head over to the testimonial. Okay, it already responsive, but I need to change the text in here. Text 3xl for mobile version, and for tablet or PC version it will be around 6xl. Okay, it looks good. And for this part, what I will do, for this part, I actually take grid, right? So for mobile, for medium screen, it will be like grid calls 3, and for normal, grid calls 1, and for SM, grid calls 2. Okay, now it will look good, right? Perfect. Okay, so for the next part in here, in this part I already make this responsive, so I need to just change the text size for these things, right? So I will do text 3xl, and md it will be around 5xl. Okay, and item center. Okay, fine. And this gap should be only for medium skin. Okay guys, okay, nice, perfect. So head over to the footer area. We use here flex. Okay, so what we will do in here, we also use the same thing, flex call, and for medium skin, flex row. Okay, okay, for this person, okay, justify between should be md, I think so. Very good, md, where do you like? Okay, md doesn't necessarily need. So in here, what I need to do, in here I also need to flex call, and for md, flex row. Perfect, right? And item will be start for that part, and item center will be for mobile version. Okay, perfect. Okay, one more thing, in here I need to decrease the gap between those things. Okay, so I will give gap between things around 10 for the mobile version, and for tablet or PC version will be around 20. Okay, so for join now, in here I need to change its width, so it will work for md, otherwise it will do the same work. Okay, and also okay, wait, what I need to do in here, okay, if I make this here flex call, and also in md flex should be row. Okay, and the rounded full thing will not apply for the mobile version, then it will look like this. Perfect, right guys? Let me know down in the comment box. Okay, So yeah, now it looks good. So you guys can see now it's totally responsive. Okay, I think the button actually is a little bit bigger, so let's just change the button. Okay, in here this button need to be a little bit smaller, right? So okay, right, let's go to the header section. Yeah, these two button, right? So normally the button should be SM, and for medium skin the button should be LZ. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I will also apply these things for this button. So BTN SM, and for medium skin it will be BTM LZ. Looks perfect, right? Okay, it is had MD. Okay, I think we should use MD rather than SM. MD will look good for mobile version. Okay, now perfect. So for this portion we also need to add that class. It will be MD. We already add in here. Okay, now looks perfect. Okay, let's give it a gap 10. Okay, now the next section also let's give a gap between those portions, and also this button need to be changed to medium MD. Okay, now looks good, right? Okay, so yeah, that's for this video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one.